Just in time for Google I/O 2018, we decided to circle back around on one of their finer achievements. Today we're talking about the Pixel 2 XL, 6 months later. So we reviewed it back in October. It had it has its own more minimalist design. It has kind of own identity instead of looking kind of like an iPhone like it did with the original Pixel. Superior camera abilities using mostly software and great hardware. It had its serious issues at launch. So one of the issues of the bad display that it had some muted colors, and in some cases you either had image burn or blue tint. So, Google's let us know that dual colors are software based, and they fixed it via update. So now you can go into settings and put on that saturated option, and you'll have that good punch that you have. But for those of you that had that image burn, then you probably wanted to swap out for another device. 6 months, this thing has been my daily driver. I've come across damn near zero lag. Inside, Snapdragon 835, 4 gigs of RAM, and lightweight stock Android 8.0, now 8.1. Still a power performer and snappy as the day it just came out the box. Since we're talking about the 2XL, this has a 3,520 milliamp battery, which holds you up all day. I can go to an event in the morning and do an 8 to 10 hour day at work without having to charge. So that's on moderate usage. So a little heavier, get me closer to 12 hours. I would love to see Pixel 3 get some wireless charging, or at least fast wireless charging. Dual front-facing stereo speakers, good to have, good for speakerphone, watching YouTube clips at home, IG stories, all that good stuff. Now we talked about the superior camera stuff. So again, in my case, is definitely one of the best cameras in the US market. Whether it's simple auto mode, just a point and shoot, or portrait mode, the Pixel 2 or the 2XL is the best shooter. It does all this using f1.8 12.2 megapixel sensor, autofocus with laser and dual pixel phase detection, combination of optical and electrical image stabilization, and all this with Google's HDR Plus software. There are times where I'll go to an event like New York Auto Show and just use my Pixel 2 for photos instead of actually my camera. So they introduced Google Assistant via Active Edge, or squeezing the side of the phone. Kind of thought it was going to be like a little gimmick, but I actually use it a lot more than I thought I would. Just pull up something real quick, squeeze the phone, call this, or look up this. It's actually pretty useful. Picture-in-picture feature, courtesy of Android Oreo, definitely a welcome addition. So I actually use this over split screen for multitasking. This is something YouTube these days a lot more. I use it pretty often. So the now playing feature is a godsend, especially if you're a music lover. Now this is Google's take on Shazam, that this does it automatically. Of course it doesn't get every song, but its database is just growing and growing and getting better. I just wish there was a better way to retain all the songs it hears. I mean, there are workarounds in third-party apps, whatever. Google Lens is actually one thing I thought I would use more, but I actually rarely use it. And kind of the same goes for the AR stickers. It's cool, but it's just like I'm not really using it. So the Pixel 2 is still a great phone to buy, even in 2018. You still have great battery life, fast software updates, superior camera, kind of all you're looking for. Long live the Google phone. If you have a Pixel 2 or 2XL, let us know how it's holding up. Sound off below. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you in the next video. Peace.